How to create AliExpress account. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Open your AliExpress app. Here we go. You will land to the home page. At the bottom you will find different options. Head towards the option of account. Now at the very top you can see the option of sign in or register. Tap on that option. With that you will land to this kind of page. Now from here you can easily create your AliExpress account. Firstly, you can tap on this drop down and select your country or region. After you do that, you will need to type in your email address or phone number. After you type in your email address or phone number, you can tap on this option of continue. Now you have to generate password for your account. Make sure you select strong password for your account. After you type in password, tap on this option of register. Now you will receive 4-digit code in your email address that you have just entered. So you can close this and open your mail. Here we go. At the very top you can see that AliExpress has sent me the mail. You will also receive similar kind of mail. You have to open it. Now this is the code. You have to enter that code over here. After you enter the code, tap on this option of register. And with that you have registered for AliExpress account. So this is how you can create your AliExpress account. This was all for this video. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.